Welcome to Integrity LeadCENTER, Integrity's proprietary lead acquisition and management software that can make your daily workflow simpler. You'll be able to focus on serving more people. Let's get started. First, you'll need two things: a valid agent NPN and the name of the business unit or agency you contract through. Go to integrityleadcenter.com. Click Register below the Login button. You'll fill out a few details about yourself. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email from LeadCENTER. Click the Confirm button to activate your account. Head back to the login page and click Login. Begin typing to find your marketing organization name from the drop-down list. If you don't see your insurance marketing organization name, click on Can't Find Your Agency to fill in the details, then click Get Started. You'll see the Order Leads screen, which is where you'll be able to purchase leads and work within your LeadCENTER account to grow your business. Note that your agency administrator needs to approve your request for association with the selected insurance marketing organization. You're all set. Get ready to take your business to the next level. We're with you every step of the way.